Lesson: Exploring prompt structures, components, and syntax. Exploring prompt structures involves a deep dive into the components and syntax that make up effective communication with AI models. Understanding these elements is crucial for professionals aiming to harness the full potential of AI in their respective fields. Prompts serve as the instructions that guide AI systems, influencing their responses and ultimately the outcomes they produce. Therefore, mastering prompt structures is an essential skill for anyone involved in AI-related tasks or projects. A prompt structure can be broken down into several key components: clarity, context, specificity, and directive language. Each component plays a vital role in shaping how an AI interprets and responds to a given input. Clarity ensures that the AI understands the instruction without ambiguity, reducing the likelihood of unexpected results. Context provides the necessary background, ensuring that the AI's response aligns with the intended objectives. Specificity narrows down the potential range of outputs, enhancing the precision of the AI's actions. Lastly, directive language guides the AI toward a particular kind of response, whether it's generating creative content, answering questions, or performing a task. One practical tool for exploring prompt structures is the use of frameworks that offer a systematic approach to crafting prompts. The prompt design framework is an effective model that professionals can implement. This framework involves several stages: defining the purpose, identifying constraints, crafting the prompt, and testing and iterating. By following these steps, prompt engineers can ensure that their prompts are well-structured and effective. Defining the purpose is the foundational step in the prompt design framework. It involves clearly articulating the goal of the prompt. For instance, if the objective is to generate a marketing slogan, the prompt should be constructed to elicit creative and catchy responses. Identifying constraints involves outlining any limitations or parameters that the AI needs to adhere to. This could include word count, style, or specific keywords that must be included or avoided. Crafting the prompt is the stage where the actual structure is developed. This involves choosing the right language and format to convey the desired instruction. Using directive language, such as generate, describe, or summarize, can significantly influence the type of response generated by the AI. For example, a prompt asking the AI to generate a list of potential product names will likely yield a different output than one that asks it to describe the features of a new product. Testing and iterating is a critical phase in the process, as it allows for refining the prompt based on the AI's output. By analyzing the responses, prompt engineers can identify areas for improvement and adjust the prompt structure accordingly. For example, if the AI's response is too vague, the prompt may need to be more specific or provide additional context. A case study published in the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research demonstrates the effectiveness of this framework. In one experiment, researchers applied the prompt design framework to develop prompts for a chatbot aimed at providing mental health support. By iteratively refining the prompts, the chatbot's ability to offer empathetic and relevant responses improved significantly. In addition to frameworks, various tools can aid in exploring prompt structures. AI platforms like OpenAI's GPT-3 have built-in capabilities for testing and refining prompts. These platforms allow users to experiment with different prompt structures and immediately observe the resulting outputs. By leveraging these tools, prompt engineers can gain valuable insights into how different components and syntax affect AI behavior. Statistics further illustrate the impact of well-structured prompts. A study by Google Research found that prompts with clear context and specific instructions led to a 30% increase in task completion rates compared to ambiguous prompts. This highlights the tangible benefits of investing time and effort into exploring and optimizing prompt structures. One real-world challenge that professionals often face is the need to balance creativity with control in prompt design. While a more open-ended prompt might encourage creative responses, it can also lead to unpredictability. Conversely, overly restrictive prompts may stifle the AI's ability to generate innovative solutions. To address this challenge, professionals can employ a hybrid approach, combining elements of open-ended and directive prompts. This approach allows for flexibility while maintaining a degree of control over the AI's outputs. A practical example of this hybrid approach can be seen in the field of content creation. A prompt asking an AI to write a blog post about the benefits of renewable energy can be both specific and open-ended. By providing context, such as mentioning recent advancements in solar technology, and using directive language, the prompt can guide the AI toward producing informative and engaging content while still allowing room for creativity. Another critical aspect of prompt engineering is understanding the syntax that influences AI responses. Syntax refers to the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed instructions. Proper syntax ensures that the AI interprets the prompt in the intended manner. For instance, the placement of keywords and the use of punctuation can significantly alter the AI's understanding of a prompt. A prompt phrased as a question may elicit a different response than the same prompt phrased as a statement. Research in the field of natural language processing underscores the importance of syntax in prompt engineering. Studies have shown that even small changes in phrasing can lead to substantial variations in AI responses. This highlights the need for prompt engineers to pay close attention to the syntax of their prompts and experiment with different formulations to achieve the desired outcomes. An actionable insight for professionals is to create a library of tested prompt structures tailored to specific tasks or objectives. By documenting successful prompts and their corresponding outputs, prompt engineers can build a repository of best practices that can be referenced and adapted for future projects. This approach not only streamlines the prompt design process, but also fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement. In conclusion, exploring prompt structures involves a comprehensive understanding of the components and syntax that influence AI responses. By employing frameworks like the Prompt Design Framework and leveraging tools such as AI platforms, professionals can enhance their proficiency in crafting effective prompts. Real-world examples and case studies illustrate the practical applications of these strategies, while statistics underscore the benefits of well-structured prompts. By balancing creativity with control and paying attention to syntax, prompt engineers can address real-world challenges and achieve desired outcomes. Building a library of successful prompt structures further supports ongoing learning and development in this field. As AI continues to evolve, mastering prompt structures will remain a crucial skill for professionals seeking to leverage the full potential of AI technologies.